Welcome to Johnny for Christ Digital YouTube channels, home of premium skills, where you are made a life-breathing cash machine. I want to show you how AI has blessed our lives. I want to show you how you can turn your text into a talking avatar.
So hi guys, I hope you can see this. I want to quickly show us, as I've promised, this is AI era. I want to show you quickly how you can turn your text into a talking avatar. You can see that as an example of an avatar. Let me play it again so I
Welcome to
can see.
Johnny for Christ Digital YouTube channels, home of premium skills, where you are made a life-breathing cash machine. I want to show you how AI has blessed our lives.
Alright, so you can see that. So let me quickly show us. Okay, so the first steps, just go and create a script. Let me quickly show us. Okay, so the first steps, just go and create a script. All right, get all these AI tools, get them, go to Chrome, go and look for Chatgpt, because this is one I'm using right now. Nova. All right, Nova, I love this Nova also. Just go and download Nova. Okay, so this is Nova. I want to use Nova. I think I should have. Okay, I'm not upgrading. uh okay, yes, you can use Nova for free. I'm using Nova already. Okay, so I have something already I've asked. All right, 5 ways to maintain focus in life. Okay, so generate your script. Once you have generated your script, copy your script. All right, copy your script. After you copy your script, go to Google Chrome. All right, just type did.com. Can you see that? Can you see that? Don't miss it. This is it here. Okay, did.com. It will take you here. All right, so once you get here, you try, click on the free trial. All right, I think I've logged in already. Okay, let me close this one. Click on the free trial. All right, don't forget we have generated the script. You are going to, okay, yes, this is script I just did now. All right, so make sure you are on desktop mode. It will make our work more. Make sure you're on desktop mode. All right, so immediately you register, make sure you register. They will ask you to register. Confirm your email. Okay, make you register. Look at this side. You'll be given uh 20 credits to use for free. Be given 20 credit to use for free. If I think a video is just 2 credits. So you can keep generating credit by changing emails. All right, by changing emails. Before you finish, you can use it for clients. I'm using it for a client anytime soon. All right, to advertise. Okay, you can generate as many avatar voices that you want with your face, and you merge them together. All right, so let's do something. The first thing, don't forget, I've copied our script. The first thing is for you to do, click on create video. Can you see? We have choose the presenter, any presenter that you want. You can choose the presenter, and if you have avatar or any presenter, you can choose add. You can download avatar that you love. If you see anyone online, you can download any and you come and put, but I don't have any. I want to use what they give to us. You can use a presenter, and you can also choose to use AI presenter. Anyone you prefer to use is your ID. Okay, can you see this is an AI presenter? You can choose to use this one also. All right, so let's see how it works. Okay, so this is what we are using. If this is our conclusion of what we are using, so you go to this side here, where you can edit, you can change, go to this side here. All right, so this is the voice that you use. This is the voice. You have so many voice here, you can check through. You even have Nigeria. I don't want Nigeria English. I think I'm okay with the US that is there. Okay, voice. You can change voice. This is Jenny voice. You can listen to all those voices and change. I think I'm okay with this Jenny voice. and the style. What you are trying to do from your script, you determine the kind of thing you are trying to do. If it is assistant, if it's chat customer, okay. From my script, you are just an advice to be focused, okay, to focus. So you're going to use a friendly tone or excited. Let's use excited tone. All right. So that's the tone we have selected. Okay. So this is your script. Type your script. Paste your script. It will tell you that 20 words preview. Don't mind that one. So please make sure you delete this thing. This message is from Nova. We don't want it because it's going to repeat anything the thing see. I think I'm okay with that. Okay. Okay. Portrait of okay. I think we are good to go. Okay. So if there's nothing again, let's generate our video. Let's see what will happen. It's generating it. It's generating it. Very simple. Very simple. This one will take 4 credits away from me, sha. Maybe based on minutes. Yes, it's based on your script. How lengthy your script is. Yes. We will not give our video title. Oh, let's generate. Let's see the record. This is one I did the other time. Okay, because of our time, let me pause it. So we're going to receive something that's successfully generated. Okay, so let's check it. Check it out.
Certainly. Here are 5 ways to maintain focus in life. 1. Set clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose
You
focus
know what
and
happened
become
there?
disheartened.
It's because of that Jennifer
Determine
voice.
your long-term
I use
goals and then
Jennifer
break
for a
them
man.
down into smaller, more manageable
That's why we have
ones.
this thing, okay?
2.
So I'm
Prioritize your
supposed to change that
tasks. Make a
voice
conscious effort to
to
decide which tasks
a
are most important so you
male
can focus your energy
voice.
accordingly.
Alright? So I hope
3.
you get the
Eliminate
logic.
distractions. Identify any external factors that distract you.
You get the logic behind this. Okay, that's the logic behind it. So I successfully generate this. We are done. Alright? So make sure you subscribe. There are more videos I'm going to share on this avatar issue. Thank you. Stay blessed.